guys, good morning. How are you today guys? I hope you have a good day. Kumusta kayong lahat guys, mga friends dyan? To all my followers, how are you today? Ano ang update nyo dyan guys? Early in the morning. Ito pa tayo guys, kakainom pa lang natin ng mainit. Super init talaga guys. Nako, kumustang morning nyo guys? Kumustang araw nyo? Yun guys, for today's video, andito pa tayo guys. Ito yung update natin. Medyo busy tayo today na naman guys. Nako, later. So yun lang. Mainit talaga. Yun lang guys for today's video, for today morning. Maraming salamat. Have a good day and keep safe everyone. Ingat kayo lahat guys, saan man kayo. Yun lang, maraming salamat. Thank you for watching guys.